Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel if you love what you are seeing, and press the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you for always passing by. In today's video, I want to make a roast turkey. I want to make roasted turkey. So those are the ingredients I'm using now to make the roasting turkey. Let me show you the turkey here. As you can see, I'm going to be making this delicious roasting turkey. So in here I have to be introducing you all the ingredients one by one. Okay, let's go guys. Here we have turkey, we have curry powder, salt, rosemary. We have another flavor, is the chicken one, so you can use it to boil chicken, you can use it to boil turkey, anyone can go. It's very nice, it brings a lot of flavor, inside. So we have also thyme, we have hamburger maggi, we have let me show you very well. We have also liquid maggi. We have 1 cube of chicken maggi. We have alio. Here we have our alio. So now let's get started. All the ingredients I show you now, all is here. It's only the pepper I did not measure. We have pepper here, and we have salt. I measured that one before. We have a little bit of blended crayfish. So all these things, I'm going to add it in this turkey, this delicious assorted roasted chicken. Please, if you want to know how I make it, stay tuned, watch this video. Okay guys. Okay, in here I'm going to turn everything here. Everything you see here now, you are going to be using it to mix. You see, okay. Now we had maggi. Okay guys, in here we have to add the maggi because I just pieces it. Now we'll be adding this liquid maggi. It's very nice, it brings the taste so well. So I'll be adding it now. It's very nice. I used to add it for my food since I tasted it and I like it, so I'll be using it since I tasted the maggi, and it's very nice. Okay, now we have to be turning. I have to turn it. See you guys later. Okay guys, as you can see in here, I've already mixed it. Now I will be putting it in the oven. Sorry for that noise guys. I hope you will like it. Now in here I have to turn all the ingredients a little one by one inside. Okay, now it's going to the oven now. Keep on watching, guys. Okay, guys, you guys will be asking me, oh, what is she using to eat this delicious turkey? Guys, this is what I'm using. We are using salad to be eating this delicious turkey. I like salad so much. I really like salad. You know, salad without corn is not salad. I love using corn on my salad. This one is just a preparing salad. I bought it from the supermarket because I wouldn't want anything that will stress me when I get home. I just bought already made in the supermarket. This is the one. It's already made, but the corn is different because there was no corn inside. I bought this differently apart. Okay, I just turn in the salad corn when I get home. And also this cucumber, it was not inside. I just cut a little bit of the cucumber I have at home. I put it inside because I want everything to be complete, you know. So this is what we are having for dinner tonight. Keep watching, guys. I love eating salad because it's very healthy. It's nice. It's good for body, you know. I love eating it. Even my children, they love eating it so much. Well, guys, food is ready. As you can see, my food is ready. My delicious turkey is ready. So I'm going to be enjoying this turkey and salad, guys. You are missing, guys. Don't worry, guys. I will keep your own, okay? I will keep your own. Thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you for my next video. Bye bye.